the Fibonacci levels that you have showed me. So I'll take the targets according to that.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Yeah, and I also draw trend lines. So for instance, on GBP JPY,
Yeah.
uh, me and you, we both had the same daily trend line, right?
Yeah.
Which it has broken for the moment.
Which
And below that, I have,
what
yeah, it
which
has,
trend
it
line?
has the daily trend line,
On what chart?
GBP JPY.
On the daily?
Yeah,
Oh yes, that long-term trend line. Yes.
yeah. So now what I have done is that I have also drawn a 4 hour trend line, which is an upwards trend, right?
Yeah.
And it is respecting that very accurately at the moment.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
I see what you're seeing
So
here. But price
yeah,
is sitting at 38.2 right now. So this could be the point to buy for a very nice long.
yeah, exactly. And that's what I also shared on the Discord in general chat.
Yeah, so I do have my 4 hour level here. Can you see my chart? I have this level here.
Exactly,
If
exactly.
price comes
That's
down,
where
boom boom, we take a buy.
let me send you my MT4.
So like
Let me
something
see.
like this. Yeah, this looks
Yeah,
good.
that's what I have done. Let me send you the buy limits I have set. And it just missed it.
Just missed, yeah?
Just missed it.
Damn.
Yeah. Let me send it to you. Wait.
That's frustrating when
This.
it happens.
Hmm. I'm sending it to general chat.
Alright. Yeah, sure. 1617. Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Anyway.
Have you removed the daily trend line that you drew?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've removed, but I can put it back on. Let's see.
Yeah, just put it back and let's see what I've been seeing. Put that on. Okay, so for trend line,
Do you have it like this or like this?
no, not like this.
Like
I
this.
have it the way that you drew it before, yeah, like this, okay? And now go to the 4 hour.
New trend line
Your
here.
actually, yeah, actually your candles are all in black. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on 4 hours. You see, it's respecting the 4 lines trend line very much
Yeah.
accurately.
Mm.
Yeah. No, what I would do is the A point, right?
Mm.
The A point I would place. No, the other side. The other side. The other side. This is my method of placing. This is to be on the bearish candle, and the other side, bring it back, the B side, yeah, and here on the bearish candle, right, and extend it to the farthest, yeah, just like that.
But we didn't do that here on the daily though.
Yeah,
So
do that on the daily as well,
on
please.
daily, if we do that, then the trend line is here.
Yeah, something like that.
Mm. Interesting. Yeah, very nice.
And my rule for drawing the trend line from above in downwards trend is from bullish candle to bullish candle, right?
Yeah.
And for changing the trend line, I need I need the candle to close above. I mean, it shouldn't touch the body with the trend line. It should be above the trend line. Then I would change it.
I got you.
Yeah, that's when you know for sure that it's in downward trend. So you can do that.
Of course, yeah. Of course.
Yeah, the session. This is on what time frame?
15.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just trying to see if these aligns with anything really. So you got this area here, and then yeah. So this area, the highs match up with the TP. AUD/USD. What's happening on this pair? Did you see I was live for like New York session, but very, very quick.
Yeah, I did watch your video then.
Just did a quick breakdown. I'm thinking
Yeah.
now that the lady has come back and she's working, I am able
Which
to,
one?
the daycare lady, because she was on a holiday.
Okay, okay,
So now I'm
okay.
thinking I should just, you know,
Yeah, and were you busy? Were you asleep in the morning, at night at your place at Asia Station? You didn't come online.
oh yeah, yeah, I was so burnt out. Jeez, because it is tiring, to stay up till 4,
Yeah,
3, and then have to wake up at 7 again every day. You get burnt out, but now that I'm free during the day, I should actually start just during the day rather, so we can
yeah,
sleep at.
that would be very good for us as well.
Okay, so should we change the schedule to New York session every day?
If you want to,
Yes, because
if you want to, we can. Yeah.
will it be more convenient for you?
Well, actually, I have actually managed to change my routine. Uh, the Asia session starts at 4 a.m. right at our in Pakistan, right?
Yes.
So I have scheduled my. I have managed to change my schedule according to that. So if you want to start trading at European and the US session, I can do that, no problem.
No, so the trading will be any session. So I will send a setup anytime. But
Yeah,
the live stream, instead of at night, it'll be during New York. So we can start looking at gold, NAS, maybe US 30.
they are very expensive, aren't they? And we have small accounts,
Oh no, I
US
wasn't talking
30
about
and
the the $20.
okay.
Yes. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. No problem.
I'll do tonight and then I'll do tomorrow at New York.
Hopefully, inshallah.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, so I drew 1 hour Fibonacci on XAU USD, right?
SAU.
XAU USD gold.
Oh, gold. Yeah.
Okay, so it didn't. You see, it didn't come back to see what is it, 32.8%,
Yeah.
right? It didn't. The bodies didn't close at that point, and it already hit the minus 27% on my Fibonacci on 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
So what's to be done after that? Do we have to change the Fibonacci or what?
I would just move point B up until price comes back and make a point C 38, because
Okay,
that means there was too much buying pressure. Um,
selling pressure, yeah,
but well, was it selling or buying?
yeah, it was selling.
Yeah, so there was too much sellers that the buyers couldn't even make a higher low point. So it just kept on dropping. That's fine. That means we'll just have a longer retracement and a bigger. You see, people that have said that trading is not 1 minute, 1 hour. Trading is weeks, days, and like you want to scalp, that's fine. Go do everything we're doing on 1 minute and 5 minute time frame. But when you're doing it
Mhm.
on 1 hour and 4 hour, and you gotta understand that for these 4 hour if I mean every one candle is 4 hours, so it takes days sometimes.
No, you know what? Why was I was doing this because on daily it was very bearish, right?
Mm,
And on 4 hours it was bullish. So I wanted to see what it was doing on early Fibonacci.
I see. I see.
Do you get my point?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was trying to figure out if two Fibonacci's can get together, and that would be the best, whether it's shorting or getting long.
Mm-mm.
So I wanted to see that. Yeah. Okay. So can you please have a look at gold right now?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
And I'll tell you what I'm seeing.
Okay. Daily,
Okay.
daily,
Yeah.
and that.
Okay. So you have brought daily on the right side, right?
Yeah, both daily charts.
Okay, now what I want you to do is according to the method that I told you,
Oh,
from the highest point of the bullish candle, highest point, not this one, highest point. I want you to draw a trend line, not from here, from the highest point.
this one
No, 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 even further up,
up here.
from there. Yeah, from here, from the bullish candle.
The wick, yeah.
No, yeah, and now bring it down. Okay, I want you to. Yeah, all are in black, so I cannot.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah, yeah,
How is that better? Can you see better?
yeah. I can see better now.
So from
Get
the
it
highest
lower
point.
from the highest point. Yeah, bring it down now. Keep going. Keep going to the downwards. Yes, and towards the left side now. Towards the left side, please. Yeah, come. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, just to the other side.
Which
A little
candle?
bit
Which
more. A
are you
little.
looking here?
No,
Wh- Where are
in the
you looking?
middle.
The middle,
In
this
the
one.
middle.
Which candle?
Yeah, this one, the bullish candle. Yeah,
The
this
bullish
one.
candle. Okay.
Attached. Yeah. Now that's the point that I'm having. Okay, and now draw another trend line from the bullish candle from the top, please.
Okay, but why did you choose this? Here's the question.
No, no, I'm telling you what I'm seeing.
Okay.
Now again, you draw another trend line from the same spot, from the top. Yeah, bring it down and to the highest bullish candle. Touch it with the highest bullish candle. Yeah, there. So this is what I'm seeing. Okay. These two, this the lower one is going to push it up to the higher one, and the higher one is going to make it push it to the downward one.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
but
this is sort of a zone
yeah, yeah.
that's that the camera is going to play in with.
But instead of, I mean, sure, that is okay. Here's what I would do, right?
Yeah.
Get rid of this noise. Number one, you have option one. You have structure here. Support, support, resistance. Very simple.
Resistance. Yes.
Very, very
Yep.
simple. Option two, one simple trend line from the highest point, point A, wick, point B, onto the future. Boom. Now, me doing this, look what happens. Breaks, doji, bearish candle, boom, closes below. Respects, respects. Comes back up. Where does it respect? Trend line again. This confirms
Yes.
that my trend line is super accurate, just based on point A and point B. Onto the future, you see, played around here, tried to break, closed straight back down, respected, respected, came down, respected again, respected, bearish engulfing, and now price is traveling to the downside. That is option two. So now, if you're a trendline trader, there's how I would look at it. The other two trend lines, I'm sorry, but I don't agree with them. In my opinion, they're wrong and they're too much noise. This is how I would do it, simple and clean. That's one. Two is you have your, if you're a market structure guy, there you go, support, support, resistance. Very, very simple. And then you have me, who just, trades not only the Fibonacci, but you have a very clean charts by focusing on the what's happening right here. Because if we look in the previous past, how to see how accurate we are, basically backtesting is, I do this, right? I go here, I see my newfound daily resistance slash support. Look, taps perfect in it and then drops. That's one, right? Another one here, right there. Wick, massive sell. Another one here. Wick, massive drop. Here, never made it. Here, never made it. Here, boom. Wick, boom, massive drop. So here, same thing. Wick, close, the second one, boom, nice drop. Here, never made it. Right here, it made it. Wick, nice drop. So what I like, it's not necessarily that someone is wrong, or no, it's just like, what do you prefer? Like, you can see how my shit works, his shit works, trend line works, support and resistance work. But like, who's looking? Who's the person who's looking at the charts? Because if you do have the eye for it, then boom, you're gonna keep catching these moves, crazy moves, right? But if you don't, you have an eye for trend lines, then sure, if that's what you're comfortable with, go for it. If you're not, then not. That's why there's a million of other different ways. It's to choose
No,
what,
basically, I have adapted to your method, right?
yeah,
But
what
I
fits you.
sometimes use a combo, and for more confidence, I use other trend lines and structures as well.
That's fine. They will tell you the same thing, because if you have one
Yeah,
confluence here, I mean, look at this here. Boom, 4 hour, wick, body, bearish, bullish, bearish again. Taps in it, nice drop. But because I don't trade gold, we would have caught this whole move. This would have been the perfect sell. But because obviously, I don't trade gold right now. I don't know why, but I'm just focused on a few pairs. If we did, we would have caught this whole move. So maybe I should, because look here, even here. Look at this sell, bro. 4 hour, newfound resistance. Boom, taps in it perfectly. You see that?
yeah,
Right here. Look at this. Look at this sell. Imagine entering at right there at the tippy wick. Now stops would be above the wick. So yes, my strategy may get you stopped out once or twice, but if you catch the third time, you will make 1 to 10, 1 to 7, 1 to 8, 1 to 6. You make way more.
yeah, that's true. But actually, what we do is we take the targets, our TPs, and we just drop it over there. And later on, we don't leave a runner, so most of the profit that goes from our hand.
So like this trade
You know
here,
what I mean?
yeah,
Yeah.
this trade here, 14 o'clock New York time, perfect, boom, into profit. This is the move. Did I send this? I believe I did. Hold on.
Yes, you did take it.
We
I
did.
didn't because I wasn't. Yeah.
Yeah, right here. I see it. Yeah. We did. Insane trade. So like, I don't know. So whether your trend lines are looking up, down, from a wick, from a body, we're all right. It's just like, what do you prefer? Personally,
Yeah. Different way of approaching it. Yeah.
exactly. I mean, I just showed you, because you had two trend lines saying the same thing, but I had a complete different strategy, and it told me the same thing, to sell from the same point you were gonna sell, but you were looking at a trend line. I was looking at a line. You see, like, yeah. but that's very good. It's good for extra confluences.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so I don't want to make this too long. I think AUD JPY looks good for a buy. AUD JPY, let's see. Uh, let's look at it. Hold on, I don't have it here. AUD JPY. Oh look, I have some markups here, but I never look into this pair. Let's see if this pair actually respects our zones. Right here, it did respect it. Boom. Right. Can you show us where you are in the Excel sheet? Sure, I will do that now. 1 second. This is Paul from Discord. I will show you. 4 hour time frame. Honestly, if I would buy, I would wait for a retracement down from this level. So let me. This is an agent pair, right? I mean, it's a Australian dollar and
Yeah.
JPY. Yeah, it is.
They both are.
Add to ASEAN session. ASEAN session. There we go. Okay, so that's where I would buy from, like from below here, from these area, because look what happened here, right? The reason why price is moving up and it may just continue to the upside is because it just reacted off this level. See, you see how accurate this is?
Yes.
Boom. Wicks, bam. We may see massive move. But I have an alert here because we've missed this. So let's just forget about it and not cry, because I'm about to cry that we missed this. If price comes back, wicks below, I will take a buy. That's a nice call. Thank you. Whoever it was. Abud. Thank you, brother. Um, nice call. But I wouldn't chase it right now personally. You can do what you want, but personally I wouldn't chase. I would wait. Cool. Yes, Excel sheet where I am. Let me look at my uh thing here. Okay, so right now I'm up $10, right? You guys can't see my camera. Hold on, let me turn it on quick. Boom. Around $10, right? And basically I am here. Let me find this Excel sheet. Forex 20 30 right here. That okay, so this one is done. Oops. This one, I'm right here. So if I close right now, I would be at level 2. The next trade would be level 3 if I close right now. But I'm not gonna close, I'm gonna hold. Right? I'm holding for a little longer to see how much I can squeeze out of this trade that I'm in. But yes, that's where I am, bro. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah, so anyway, I don't want to make this too long. Set alerts, GJ buys at around 161,587. Since I'm gonna be streaming for New York from now on. So set an alert down here at this level. If price comes back down, I will take a buy. Right here, AUD, I wouldn't do nothing just because we are approaching a weekly. We have a 4 hour support, but we are below daily resistance. It's just in the middle of nowhere. Right here, we are approaching a resistance. So let's just see what happens around that level. If price rejects, boom, set alerts for Euro JPY around these levels. UJ, nothing. And then obviously AUD JPY, wait for a bit of a retracement for a long. So this is what I got for you guys today. Make it nice and quick and sweet and short. And yeah, I will see you guys for New York tomorrow. Bye. Okay, let's just end the stream there.